Yeah, she's just come back quintessential from Aussie. She had a great season over there, winning the Oaks and running second in Derby. I spilled her over there, and she's been in my Sydney stable for the last probably 2 months. I brought her back from Sydney. Her last run was a very good run. She ran fifth in the Group 1 mile at George Main 2 weeks ago, but I don't think she's quite furnished from 3 to 4, that she'll show more in the autumn. And I said to the owners, look, if we can go for a softer Group 1 win instead of going down to Melbourne, we'll have a go at the Spring Classic. And they agreed, and Damien Brown's going to come out and ride her. Yeah, I brought her back specifically just for this race. She'll run on Saturday, then go out for a spell, and then she'll be aimed for autumn in Sydney for the Queen Elizabeth and the BMW. So that'll be her peak then, because she doesn't mind the wet tracks too. So she'll just run on Saturday, have a break, and then come back in. Yeah, she's trained up well since she's been back. She had the one gallop yesterday, and Darren Weatherly galloped her over a mile, and he was very happy with her. The last time he galloped one for me was Red Ruler, and that just got beaten in the kilt. So very happy with the horse. She's in her old box here environment, and she's eating, and you know, everything's going to plan apart from the draw. She'll race on any track. She's obviously won on the heavy, which she did in the Queensland Oaks, but then a lot of horses in this race don't mind it wet, like Xanadu, the favourite, and whatever. So she also won the Desert Cold on a firm track, so she's very adaptable, and we'll just have to take what we get. Yeah, I think the threats in the race, Xanadu, Carrick, Fleur de Sheen if it gets a trip. Jessipine is another query at the trip. Horses like Sea Sensational and Green Supreme are a bit out of form at the moment. There's a question mark, but if they're there on the day, they're good horses too. So it's an even lineup without being a stellar Group 1 field.